Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a Google account to your ZTE Android TV box. If you don't have any Google account or have one but want to add another one, click on the Settings button on your remote. Now go to Accounts and Sign In, go down to Add Account. Now simply enter your email after clicking on Sign In, email or phone number of course associated with the Google account. Let's wait a moment. Okay, can do it now. No, I actually didn't want that email. I want a different one. Okay. And let's go further. Now the password, which I'm gonna do off screen. Now after entering the password, oh, it was actually incorrect. Okay, after entering the password, go to Next. Now it'll start signing in. And you're signed in. And that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.